Good morning, Georgie. Hi, bud. How you doing? Feeling good? Ready for your medicine, bud? I'm gonna crush this coat. A little yogurt. 2 scoops. Hold on, bud. You good, bud? Finish it. Oh, man. Georgie, gotta get the rest of it. So, this is a different kind of vlog. I'm here at the house. Taking care of the pets this morning. Dropped off Ashton at school. Oh man, he drooled everywhere. Georgie. Oh. Amy and Cole's out of town. Hi, Kitty. How are you? Huh? Yeah. Clean Georgie's drool up. Right, Georgie? Amy will be back today. Her and Cole went to a basketball game. Me and Ashton are at home here. This morning, you guys. Okay, I fed the cats. I fed Georgie. He's got his medicine. Oh, update on Georgie. His neck, you guys, he's got his surgery done. They took out salivary gland. And so they did that. And now he's just healing. It's been a week at least, I think. He's had that bandage around his head. So today, I'm going to go down to the shop. Check on the shop. Since Amy's not there, I'm going to go down and check up on the shop. I really don't need to, but I'll go in and check to see how the team is doing, making sure they don't need anything from me, or if they do, I'm there. Before I take Georgie to the vet again, they're gonna remove the bandage around his neck and just clean up his the gauze or whatever that is under his neck where he had the surgery and put a new one in. Different type of vlog, a different type of vlog, guys. I just you see everything. See everything. Look at that drool, bud. Oh, man. They took your salivary gland out and you still have drool issues. I got everything all taken care of here. It's kind of weird when Amy does a lot of things in the morning. She's the one that takes the kids to school, takes care, feed the cats, feed the dog, in the morning. That's what she does, her normal routine in the morning. When she's gone, it's like, oh, what do I do, right? It's like, I'm out of my routine. It's different when you don't do it all the time, and so you just got to do it. And like today, I got to take Georgie to the vet. I believe it is, check this out. Oh, how cold is it? Man, it is freezing here, guys. Let's see. -12, you guys. Feels like -35. That's how cold it is here in Minnesota right now. Everything go all right yesterday?
Yep.
Okay.
Got all the basketball shirts done.
Okay.
And all the backs to the nap t-shirts are done. Just gonna do fronts.
Easy, huh?
Yep. And then push it down. But you can see what gets on there. It literally runs through the screen and over the edge.
You can see the line, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the ink. I think it's the ink that's just overflown this black.
Yeah.
It's both of the black.
No structure. Simply hold it. See, like the dark horse screen though.
SPS priority mail.
Okay.
Shipping.
Okay. Let's just ship it then. Stopped at the shop and everything's going good. We're just having trouble with the black ink on the screen printing. It's kind of milky. I think it gets too warm in the shop there, and so it really heats up the ink, and the ink gets very creamy and watery, and so we're trying to move the ink away from the machine and stuff so it doesn't get too hot. It doesn't cause that. It doesn't do a clean print, and so that's what we've been having issues with at the shop, and so hopefully that fixes it. So now I'm back at the embroidery shop, or not embroidery, my other shop here. So what we're gonna do here is we've been having like really cold temps lately, and right now my Denali is out. It's been outside for the last few days and it's been cold, and so we're gonna start it up, get it warmed up, let it run a little bit. I didn't put it in here because I got my van in here. Normally that truck is in here in the nice warm garage. Well, that's not good, guys. It won't start. Batteries, it's cold. We had battery issues with that one before, and it's so cold. Oh man, now that's not good. Try to jump it. Oh, that's not good. I gotta bring that truck back in here. Alright guys, I'm going to let that run for a little bit, and I think I'm going to move my van out I gotta take Georgie to the vet anyways. I'm gonna move my van out and stick it in there. Oh man, this is cold. Tight one, guys. Hey, bud. You ready to go to the vet? Huh, bud? Hi, how are you? It's cold out there, bud. Let me grab your leash and then we'll go in the van, all right? Come on. It's okay. Okay, let's go. Go outside. Come on. Good boy. So Georgie's about, you're going to be, well, this year in July, bud, you're going to turn 2. Yeah, you'll be 2 years old. Okay. Okay, let's go, Georgie. Come here, bud. Come on. Push, leave you on the leash. Come here, Georgie. Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, bud. Up. Up, Georgie. Up. Alright, let's get the leash out for you. Wait. Sit down, Georgie. Watch out, bud. Sit. Ready, Georgie? We're here. So we got him fixed up. He's doing pretty good. He got new tape, new pressure. I know, bud. We'll go home. I know. Wasn't that bad this time, was it? They changed the band-aid and we should be good. You sad? You sad, bud? Yeah, we'll go home.